So this is what we're dealing with today. We've done the exterior already. We've got a mucky Corsa in for a deep clean. Let's get to it. Let that sit for a minute, work its magic. One pass just ain't gonna cut it, so we're gonna go again. The cloth, wipe that, and we keep going till that goes clean. Go back in and extract. This pass should be the final one. How we get under seats? You grab the tornado. Standard Mackey's. We're gonna hoover that first. Oh, mold is gonna go everywhere. And that is a crispy clean steering wheel. And that is that one done compared to what we turned up to this morning. Looks fantastic.